Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can translate tweets in the Twitter app. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you can want to do is open up the Twitter app on your device, which is now known as X. So go ahead and open up the app. And if you've not logged in already, go ahead and log into your account. So from the home screen, what you can want to do first is come up to the top left-hand corner and press onto your profile icon. Next, come down to the bottom, and what you want to do is press down here where it says Settings and Support. Then go ahead and press on to Settings and Privacy. So from this screen, if you actually scroll up, and what you're going to look for is Accessibility, Display and Languages. So go ahead and press onto this option. And on the next screen, go ahead and select Languages. From here, what you're going to want to do is press onto Preferred Language at the top. And as you can see, it's going to show you selected language. Now what you want to do is just simply go ahead and press Update Language. Then what you can do is choose from the available languages. If you can't see here, just press 2 more underneath to see all the available languages. Or alternatively, search for the language that you want to translate up here. So once you've done that, just press Next, which will appear in the bottom right-hand corner. And after a minute or two, it's just going to read through and basically translate your tweets. And once that's done, it's going to take you back to home page where you can read your tweets in language which you just selected. So that's basically how you can translate tweets in the Twitter app. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.